if you are someone who is planning to build iOS application and want to launch in the App Store, then you need to integrate something called icons, or you can say app icons. So in this video, I will walk you through from ideation to creating the app icon and in the traditional and the AI way, and then how to link it into your Xcode projects. So let's get into the video. So you can see in the screen, I have one icon already created, but I will just go from the scratch. So in the Figma, you need to use Figma. You need to click something called frame here, and you have to click frame and you can choose any of the frame, and just make sure to do it this 1024 1024. Once you have done this one, okay, let me just do this. You have to rename this to your app icon. Now you can go to the traditional way and you can search for the free icons or any other icons which you like. Maybe from the icon set you like. I have created one video on icon packages which you can watch if you want something custom, if you want which is most loved by developers, and you can use that. And just copy that icon to Figma, paste it directly inside here. So maybe for example, I choose this one. Maybe I can say it. Let me just go here and let me just go to the photos. And okay, this gets complicated a little bit and we need icons actually. So we will go here and we will see Mac and Windows native application. And let me just copy this image. Maybe this one will be too harsh, but let's copy this one and let's paste this one. Now I can crop easily. So to crop that one, I need to go here and you can see I can easily crop this one. This part I have cropped and this part I will again crop. And yep, it is not clean, but you get the gist that what I am doing. Now you can create this mask and all. You can just put everything and you can clean it. Like you can get the mask layer from the top and you can create like that is again complexities. You can use Canva, you can use any background removal tool and all to just do that. And you can put this one and this will create an amazing app icon for you. So this is one method. Another method is this one which I have found. Like you can give any preference image which you want and you can ask AI to create an icon for you. So you can see convert this into cartoon and kind of Lego which I will use for my app icons. Keep the attached image resemblance. So you can see it is again 1024 1024. So if I copy this one here, so you can see the dimensions 1024 1024. We need 1024 1024. Now you can export this one directly from here. Like you can export this one, and any of this. Once you have done this, now I will just save this image because this is already 1024 1024. So maybe in the downloads. Now you have to go to something called Xcode to link the icon. So in this Xcode, you can see this is a code widget application which I have created in my yesterday's video, where I've talked about how to use AI to learn building iOS application. And in that, I have shown you a live demo how I have instructed AI and prompted AI to give me the instructions to build this application. So I've written every code by copy pasting what AI suggested, and I've created this application which I will demo you right now as well. So you have to go to something called asset, and then you have to go to call something app icon, and you have to link this one. So you can see I have already linked this one. So I will just go to the finder directory, and you can see I will just again open this one and I will open this one. So this is the app icon. So I will just do this one. And do I need any tinted 1024? For the dark also I need this one. For the tinted as well I need this one. So let's see how it rolls out, and I will just do the run icon. So it will open the iOS simulator, which is right now iPhone 16e in my computer. So it will, okay. So you can see all the three I've used the same icon. I'm just implementing this. I will implement the API and all. So I will cover this in the coming series. Don't worry about that. So right now I'm just using Alex Hormozzi's code. So at the start, the code was similar to people will only root at 2 times, at the start of the race and when you finish it, neither it when you need it. So this is the code which I want to save, and let me just do save code. And if I go here in the widget, here you can see people will only root at 2 times. So this is the application and widget I'm building right now. So it is still in the development phase, but you get the context on how to link the app icon, and you can literally see how amazing the app icon looks when it is rendered in the app icon space. So it gives a literally a new view to this type of icons, and it will create a new definition on how icons will look in the future, because the creativity AI provides us nowadays. So I'm excited for that, and that is what I want to talk about, and that is how you literally link an app icon to your Xcode and an iOS project. So this is it, guys. This is the video which I wanted to make, and I will see you on the another video. Till then, take care and bye.